Vande Mataram, students. It is time now to revise what we have learned today in chapter number 2, why democracy and what is democracy. Right? We have completed till major decisions are taken by elected leader. Today we will move further. Now, second most important feature of democracy is there should be free and fair electoral competition. For you to understand, electoral competition means election. You are aware that in democracy, the ruler must be truly people's representatives. And to choose our representative, we have a system called election. But these elections have only some meaning and significance if they are held free and fair. Okay? A free election is one when every person has equal rights to vote and different choices are available to them. We are learning that. Now, in free elections, a citizen should be able to vote without any fear and threat. A fair election is one in which those who are currently in power have a fair chance of losing. Let us come to China. China, as you know, is our northern side neighbor, and nowadays you are hearing a lot about China. In China, elections are regularly held after every 5 years for electing country's parliament, which is known as National People's Congress. The National People's Congress has the power to appoint the president of the country. There are some members who are selected by the army and some member which comes through the election from all over China. But before contesting in the election, a candidate needs the approval of Chinese Communist Party. So, government is always formed by the Communist Party. In China, not a single one other party can form a government. So we can say that China is having single party system. China is having single party system. Here, citizens are not getting any choice. If they don't believe in Chinese Communist Party's ideology, they are not having any other choice to select some other ideology. We are coming to the next thing. Mexico. All of you are aware that Mexico is a North American country. It got its independence in 1930, and every 6 years they have an election to elect their president. Okay, the country has been never ruled by military nor by any dictatorship. But every election till 2000 was won by a party called PRI. It was Institutional Revolutionary Party. Now PRI used many dirty tricks to win election. All government offices and teachers are used to force people to vote for PRI. Sometimes the polling booths were shifted from one place to another in last minute. Media largely ignored the activities of opposition political parties. Rather than they were busy in criticizing them. PRI used large sum of money in the campaign for its candidate. We cannot call that election as democratic election because these elections of China and Mexico are not free and fair. We need to understand very important key feature of democracy here. A democracy must be based on free and fair election where those currently in power have a fair chance of losing. They cannot misuse their political power to be in government for a lifetime. Now, third feature of democracy is one person, one vote, and one vote. That means that all citizens, all adult citizens have right to vote without any discrimination based on sex, color, race, caste, or class. Each person can cast one vote. Cast matlab डालना, to give vote. Okay. All voters are counted. Okay. You are aware about that. Okay? The person who is going to get maximum vote is going to get elected. Now, for us, this is very natural thing because in India we have a universal adult franchises. That means one person, one vote, one win. But there are many countries where equal rights of voting, we call it political equality, are denied. In Saudi Arabia, women, actually in your textbook they even do not have the right to vote, but from 2016, they do have a right to vote. But in past, very recent past, we're talking about only 4 years ago, they were not having right to vote. Okay. When we talk about Estonia, Estonia is European country, eastern side European country, has made its citizen rules so that people belonging to Russian minority find it very difficult to get right to vote. Those who belong to Russian minority might be staying in Estonia since 4, 5, 6 generation, but they are not getting right to vote. Fiji is in Pacific Island. Okay, somewhere very near to New Zealand. The electoral system is such that vote for an indigenous Fiji, the original Fijians, the inhabitant of that area, has more value than that of an Indian Fijian. There are many Indian in past migrated to Fiji. They are there since 300, 400 years ago. They don't have any now. They don't have any roots with India now. But their vote value is less than indigenous Fijian. So we need to understand one thing, that when we are talking about democratic features, political equality plays very important role. We are going to learn about other features tomorrow. Please see this video and rewind your learning of today. Jai Hind.